Today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a quick look at this dynamic microphone from ZealSound, which is attached to a boom arm that you can mount onto a tabletop. It should be a pretty good solution for streaming, podcasting, or even gaming. But before I open the box itself, there are a couple of features listed on the back that I want to point out. First of all, it has LED lights, and I mean, that's exciting. LEDs make everything better. But second, there are a couple different interface options. There's a USB-C port, and there is an XLR jack. So there are two different ways that you can plug into your equipment in order to record yourself. And that's pretty important. So let's open the box and take a look at what is inside. Pretty decent box construction here. Lots of foam on the inside. Get rid of that. Instruction manual in multiple languages. That is handy, so we'll set that aside. I'm sure I'll have to read that later. I'm just gonna grab all of these parts out of the box and then we'll take a look at them. And I will set the box aside. Okay. First up, let's look at the microphone itself. It is very lightweight. Very lightweight. Has a good windscreen, padded windscreen pop filter here. This ring is where the LED lights are going to turn on when you have the microphone plugged in. There is a hardware volume knob here on the front, as well as a touch mute button, which is really important if you quickly need to silence yourself. And it rotates around this frame. Here are the ports. There is a 3.5mm headphone jack, an XLR jack, and a USB-C jack. So that's the microphone itself. Let's take a quick look at the hardware that came with it. Okay. This is going to be the table mounting bracket, just a little screw that you can loosen and tighten to mount it to the table. And then we have a USB to USB cable here. And it is USB-C on both ends, but it also has a USB-A connection that you can adapt into a lightning connection if that is the type of jack that you need to plug into. So it's good that they have multiple methods of plugging in. And finally, we're going to come to the boom arm. This is also pretty lightweight. I was worried about it being a little too heavy, but it's very lightweight. I'm enjoying how lightweight it is. And then this can open up to move around so that you can better position your mic. And it looks like it has some adjustment screws here so you can tighten it to get it to stay locked in the position that you want it in. So overall, I am pretty excited about this, and stay tuned for a future video when I give it a sound test.